If they leak, that can cause like a misfire from cold start.
Yeah. Yeah.
This can happen because when the secondary air pump turns on to allow that air to flow into the exhaust, a solenoid opens up a valve to allow the air to flow through. Now, if that solenoid is opening up the valve to allow the air to flow through, but the secondary air pump isn't working, then the exhaust fumes coming out of the exhaust are going to flow back up that chamber and out of the secondary air pump, which would cause a misfire because the lambda sensors in the exhaust are getting a false reading.